Ayan, hindi na naman nakaplay yung kanina. Hi, sir. I would like to ask, I will go to Hanoi. Where
Oh,
is
I see. I mean, your flight is located in domestic building.
domestic? Yeah. Ah, okay.
By the way, the departure gate.
Yeah, departure.
It's on the second floor.
Second floor, the other building. Yeah, okay.
So, here,
Okay. Elevator ground?
ground floor.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Ayan. Kaya dapat guys, aagahan talaga natin. Mali yung sabi ko na international dito eh. Ayan, lesson learned. Part talaga yan ng ng pagka-travel. You make mistake and then you learn from it. Oh, maganda talaga maaga. Kasi meron akong 3 hours and 30 minutes bago mag-departure. So imagine kung nagmamadali ka, di ba? Ground. Tapos mali pa yung building na napuntahan mo. Okay, so yun pala siya. Dito yung domestic